Imagine a summer evening where the grass seems to catch fire, yet not a single blade is scorched by the flickering golden lights dancing through the air. These mesmerizing beacons aren't magic, but a sophisticated chemical process that's arguably the most efficient light source in the entire world. Decode the science behind bioluminescence and reveal exactly why these tiny insects have mastered the art of cold light. At the heart of a firefly's glow is a specialized organ located in its abdomen called the lantern. Within these cells, the insect combines oxygen with a unique pigment called luciferin, facilitated by an enzyme known as luciferase. This reaction triggers a burst of energy, but unlike a light bulb, it releases almost no heat. If a firefly were as hot as a standard incandescent bulb, it would incinerate itself instantly. This incredible efficiency means nearly 100% of the energy is converted into light, making it a biological miracle of engineering. You might assume this glow is just for show, but it's a highly evolved language used for survival and romance. Each species of firefly flashes in a distinct rhythm, almost a secret Morse code that allows males and females to identify their own kind in the dark. A male will signal from the air, and a receptive female will reply with a precise, timed flash from the grass below. It's a high-stakes dating game where the wrong rhythm means being ignored, or worse, becoming a snack for a predator. Interestingly, these glowing signals are also a warning sign, as fireflies contain toxic chemicals that taste foul to birds and spiders. By flashing, they advertise their toxicity, effectively telling predators to look for an easier meal. But there's a dark side to this brilliance. Some female fireflies of a different species have learned to mimic the flash patterns of others to lure unsuspecting males to their doom. Up next, we will look at how human technology is currently racing to replicate this natural chemical process for medical breakthroughs. In short, the firefly's glow is an evolutionary masterpiece that balances communication, defense, and extreme efficiency without wasting a single watt of heat. From their role as nature's tiny lanterns to their complex chemical defense systems, fireflies prove that even the smallest creatures hold the keys to advanced biological innovation. If you found this glimpse into the night sky fascinating, hit the button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of the natural world. Let's know in the comments, what's the most interesting creature you have ever spotted in your own backyard?